Hi everybody, this is day 2 for me in Dubai. I couldn't vlog anything in day 1. I was like super tired, and also I got a little sick, so I just felt like I can't even talk to the camera. But today I'm going to show you my apartment in Dubai, and also the view. The view is sick, guys, I swear.
Oh no!
So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you apartment vlog and apartment tour. So here we are, and I'll also mention the prices of like per night, how much would it cost to actually stay here. Dubai is honestly one of the most visited cities in the world, with about 11 million visitors yearly. With this many visitors, it can get a bit difficult to find a place inside the city, and if you find, it's highly to be super expensive. So people tend to want to live either in Ajman or in Sharjah because it's like cheaper, and also it's like about an hour away drive though. But in this vlog, I will show you the places I stayed in and what's my impression of them, and do I recommend them. First, let's start with dividing Dubai. Now, there is Business Bay or downtown Dubai, where I first stayed in one of the Sonder apartments. Sonder Apartments is located in 3 different areas, but mainly in a Business Bay area, or as it's known, downtown Dubai, which is the home to the iconic landmarks like Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Mall, along with a central business district with skyscrapers, offices, and a vibrant urban atmosphere. The second Sonder Apartments falls between Dubai Marina, Jumeirah, and Palm Jumeirah. It's like somewhere in between there, where I had the view from my room to the Ain Dubai, which is the tallest giant observation wheel ever built. And it's surrounded by the famous Jumeirah Beach Walk, an upscale residential area with beautiful beaches, lavish villas, and a mix of cultural attractions. Palm Jumeirah, on the other hand, is a man-made luxury residence and hotels area, and it also has entertainment options. It's shaped like a palm tree. I mean, literally. Did you guys notice how Sonder rhymes with SONDOS? You know, like Sonder, SONDOS. Okay, I think I should just file a lawsuit against them for like playing with my name, or like, go file to take some of my shares. Okay, anyway, bad joke. Let's go back to the video. Now, go to Sonder Apartments and choose Dubai and how many nights you want to stay in. Sonder apartment prices can start from $200 all the way until $1,000 a night. But it may seem a bit expensive because the dates it shows are expensive due to COP28 taking place there. And let me not even tell you about how well the treatment of the staff is. The place was extremely clean, and they provided all kitchen equipment. They also offered a pool with a beautiful view in both apartments I stayed in. They are literally better than each other. One of them was with the Burj Khalifa view, and the other one was with the Ferris wheel view. Yep, that's life. You can book your rooms and enjoy discounts over 25% if you book for 7 days straight from Sonder Apartments website. The second place we stayed in was Five Jumeirah Village Hotels, which is unique with its daily events and nightlife activities, and huge bars and restaurants with extremely delicious food. You have a spa, a gym, a pool, and even more. You can even book a double room with your own private pool. Yes, you heard that right, private pool in your room. And all that, the room will start from only $160 a night. In my opinion, I enjoyed staying at 5 more, and it was more affordable than Sonder. I believe Sonder is worth the rent if you're at least like 6 people taking the apartment, in my opinion. Now, there is one final place I showed before in my vlogs. It's located in Business Bay and it is super cozy. The problem is I don't recall the name of it, but you get an amazing view also with Burj Khalifa. I will show you a quick tour around, and once I find its name, I will put it down in the description box. Now we finished the top and most expensive areas to stay in and where I stayed personally. Now let's discover the other areas of Dubai and what can you find there. Now, there's also Barsha, which has a diverse community known for its residential neighborhoods, shopping centers, and it's close to one of the best shopping centers like the Mall of Emirates. Then you have Deira, which is a historic district known for its traditional markets like souks, cultural attractions, and a mix of residential and commercial spaces. Then finally for this video, we have a Dubai Silicon Oasis, which is a technology park with residential and commercial spaces designed to foster innovation and technology-based industries. So depending on your purpose of visit, see what's more important to you. finally, let me show you where to get your e-visa from, and that if you're interested in visiting Dubai. I use Atlas app, and I don't know if I'm pronouncing it correct, and I got mine in literally 3 days, and it was about like $100. All you have to do is attach your passport and take a photo of yourself, and voila, buy your ticket and get your tan in Dubai, baby. I hope this video was helpful and you have a better idea about what to do in Dubai. Subscribe to my channel for more travel tips to share with me my entrepreneur and growth journey, and most importantly, for us all to grow together. See you in my next vlog. Goodbye.